Okay, it is Transport Month, being October, and the focus is on highlighting the importance of road safety in the country. I mean, when we ever not do that? All the time we talk about safety on our roads, but every day there are disasters on our roads. But the South African National Taxi Council in KwaZulu-Natal now is launching its campaign aimed at encouraging COVID-19 vaccinations for all drivers and rank marshals, as well as promoting road safety, hygiene, and a healthy lifestyle. Santaco says since the campaign's launch, the number of road incidents involving taxi has decreased. That sounds like good news. Operation Hlokomela initiative will be hosted at various tech ranks in KZN. eNCA reporter Mawande Kheswa is Umkhuze at this hour in KwaZulu-Natal, joining us now. Mawande, good afternoon. How is this campaign going where you are? What have you seen?
Good day, Braden. Well, this program really has been ongoing for quite some time under the banner of Operation Hlokomela, which, as you've stated, highlights the importance of road safety. Throughout our engagements with Santaco since the inception of Hlokomela, they've reiterated countless times that the number of road fatalities involving taxis has decreased. Today, they were in Umkhuze at a taxi rank where they were doing an activation promoting healthy lifestyle, as well as speaking to taxi marshals, taxi drivers on the importance of vaccinating. They say they've vaccinated hundreds of workers within the sector, and I also heard it for myself. Indeed, vaccination is something that they are driving and trying to echo those sentiments. We did also speak to a driver who himself has taken the vaccine. He highlighted that there's quite a number of people who are hesitant and feel as though once they take the vaccine they'd get sick, and he stated that yes, you may get a bit dizzy, but that's as far as it goes. Them being vaccinated means that their commuters are also safe when they are vaccinated. We also spoke to a commuter who really lauded the programs that have been launched by Santaco, saying that they've seen a drastic improvement. They are happy with how drivers teach them. If I may give an example as well, Praden, there was a sign that Santaco members happened to see in one of the taxis, and they were quite unhappy with the message in that, and they had it removed. So they are saying that they're not going to stand for a situation where commuters don't feel safe, they feel disrespected, drivers do as they please, so they will clamp down on those. And this Operation Hlokomela allows them to do such things, but also educates both the passengers and the drivers on the various aspects that they're touching on this Transport Month.
It's good to hear that it started before today. It's been going on for some time. Is your understanding that Santaco plans to carry on with Operation Hlokomela for as long as it is needed, especially as we're heading towards the festive season in a few months' time?
Yes, but then I started covering Operation Hlokomela about last year, if I'm not mistaken, and Hlokomela does have a date of inception, but it doesn't have an end date. So it's an ongoing program because the issues of road carnage and some taxi drivers really not operating within the parameters of what Santaco has set in terms of how they carry themselves, drinking under the influence of alcohol or driving under the influence of alcohol rather, and so forth. Those things are continuous things that will pop up every now and then. And because they've roped in law enforcement, they institute roadblocks in conjunction with law enforcement. So as part of Operation Hlokomela, there are those random roadblocks where Santaco is present to witness for themselves what is happening within their industry, so that they can be able to note which routes are becoming problematic for them in terms of the drivers, the vehicles, and so forth. So really, Operation Hlokomela outside of Transport Month is an operation that has been ongoing and has been yielding results. As I've said, that I've been on the ground and I've been able to witness these. There are far less taxis that are not roadworthy, because they do have a program where if you have a taxi, an old old high-ace taxi that is no longer roadworthy, you take it to them and they will pay you a certain amount of money that you can use as a deposit to purchase a new roadworthy vehicle. So that is something that they themselves are taking serious, and between themselves and the partners, they've put in measures in place to assist those who have those old taxis, to say, bring it. We will give you something to be able to continue operating, but purchase a roadworthy vehicle to look after the commuters.
Okay, thank you very much, Mawande Kheswa. There, it sounds like it's a very good initiative. It's not being launched today. It was launched last year. It's ongoing, but being October month, it's being highlighted once again. That's Mawande Kheswa reporting for us from Umkhuze there in KwaZulu-Natal.